Welcome back. So today I'll be unboxing another blind box from Baby 3 series. So this is the box and it's a pretty huge box compared to other ones which I've opened till now. So I'll show you the comparison. So here is the comparison of the boxes. You can see how big the box is. If you compare Skull Panda with the Baby 3 one, and then when you compare it with the Powerpuff Girls one which I have, it's pretty huge. And with the Sound series, you can see it's pretty big, and the price of this one is very decent price wise. So this one I would say compared to other ones like Skull Panda and Labubus, this one is comparatively cheaper and quite big in size. It's around the size of Nomi. If you know Nomi, you will know what I mean. This one is pretty big, and even the plush which I'll be unboxing now, you'll see it's pretty big compared to other ones, the pricier ones. So yeah, let's show you this one in close up. So I really love the box, and the eyes of the plushie is like this. So this is how it looks. So this is how this one looks. Box pretty big. It's almost the size, it's bigger than the size of my face, you can see here. And let's just unbox it. I'm excited. So this part is shiny, as you can see. It's and the rest of it is like matte. It's a normal box, but this part is very shiny. It's so as you can see, this is the size of the box. It's pretty big. It's quite huge, and I really like the color that's there on the box. uh, let's see how the Baby 3 one box, like the plushie, is. So this is, as it's written, Baby 3 Lily Rabbit Town. So that's the name of the box, Baby 3 Lily Rabbit Town. So here you can see, I think there are 12 designs. So there are 11 designs and one is a secret. So I don't have the full box. I don't know which one I'll be getting since it's a blind box. So I like all of them except the muted color ones, but yeah, that will see how it looks in person because I don't know how it will look. So yeah, I really like the way they have scarves with each one of them. So let's see which one I get from all of these. Let's see if I get a secret. So that is how it looks from the front and from all sides. You can see how it looks. It's an original, and let's just open it up. So it's from this side. Usually it's from this side, but this one is from this side. So this is how it looks. It's from the brand Cure Planta, as you can see. It's written here. And that's the cute little baby 3. I really like the packaging of this one. This looks very adorable and cute. So glad I got this one, this pink one. So yeah, it's upside down. So I got a pink one. I'm so happy. So yeah, I really love her. She looks really pretty, and yeah, she looks really amazing. And I'm so glad I got the pink one. I don't think I'm lucky enough. So the ears are actually wired and it was twisted, but yeah, this looks really nice, and the fur is really soft and it looks very adorable. I never thought I would love this one. And you have like googly eyes and you can just play with her eyes. She looks really cute and adorable. I love her. And the fur feels really soft and premium, like it's even softer than the Skull Panda one from the Winter Symphony series. And yeah, she looks really cute and adorable. I love her. And yeah, I really love the design and the cloth that she's wearing. It's sort of a scrunchie that she's wearing. I think you can open it up even. And yeah, she looks really cute. This is how she looks with the card. I think it's she's not even fitting on the camera. Like she's so cute and adorable. I mean, in person she's very very cute and very pretty. A very pretty piece. I'm so glad this made my day actually. So yeah, this she's a really pretty shade of pink, very nice like baby pink color. And I don't know what this is. Whatever this is, but it looks really cute. It looks like a huge bindi, but I really like the tattoo on her cheeks and her expression. I would have loved the glass eyes, like the different colored eyes, but those look angrier. So yeah, this one is pretty cute, and yeah, I love her bow. And they have like expression on their heads, so it's embroidered. It looks very cute, and this floral design with the frill on it, and this is white, and yeah, cute little hands there. And yeah, she looks really cute overall. This is how she looks on the backside, and there's this hanging thing where you can hang this on your purse. And she looks really really cute. I love her for her designs. So yeah, she's very very cute and adorable, and I'm so glad I got her. She looks very very cute. And that's the card you get along with it. It's pretty nice, like a cardstock paper, pretty big. And yeah, it's very very cute. So from all the blind boxes I've received till now, this one is my favorite and the best. And yeah, she's so cute. I can't get enough of her. I really love the bow detail they've given and every little thing, and those tattoos and those googly eyes and that red nose and that expression looks adorable. and the floral print on her neck, the muffler or the scarf, whatever you can call it, looks really nice. And the legs, it looks very realistic. And the baby hands, it looks really cute. So if you're looking for something way cuter than Labubu's and Skull Panda, I would say go for Baby 3. She looks really, really cute, especially the black eyed ones. So yeah. So yeah, that's Baby 3 Lily Rabbit. I love this one. I really, really love this one. So if you want to get a very big plushie, like bigger than Labubus and Skull Pandas, I would suggest go for Lily 3, like Lily Rabbit Baby 3 series 1. They are pretty big. I mean, I love the bunny ears and cute too. So yeah, go get your hands on this one. I love her.